Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan sorbet. First, understand that vegan sorbet is a delightful frozen treat made from fruit, a sweetener, and a liquid. It's naturally dairy-free and incredibly refreshing. We'll cover the simple steps to create a perfectly smooth and flavorful sorbet right in your own kitchen, ensuring a wonderful dessert experience. Selecting the right ingredients is crucial for outstanding sorbet. Always opt for ripe, flavorful fruit, as it forms the base of your dessert. A good starting point for your mixture is a ratio of 2 parts fruit to 1 part sugar. You'll also need a small amount of water or another liquid to help with blending and texture. The process itself is quite straightforward. Begin by blending your prepared fruit, sugar, and liquid until the mixture is completely smooth. Next, it's essential to chill this mixture thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Finally, pour the chilled mixture into your ice cream maker and churn it for 20 to 30 minutes until it reaches a firm, frozen consistency. For an even better sorbet, consider these helpful tips. Adding just 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice can significantly brighten and enhance the fruit's natural flavors. A small pinch of salt also works wonders to deepen the sweetness. Once churned, transfer your sorbet to an airtight container and freeze it for at least 4 hours before serving for the perfect texture.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.